Everyone, if you're new to Canva or you just want to create some amazing designs, this is the video for you. I'm going to teach you how to use Canva. Canva is an online tool that can help you design posters, can help you design videos, can help you design business cards. It's an online tool and comes with templates that can help you create your design in literally seconds. So if you want to learn how to use this amazing tool, this is the video for you. I'm going to help you from the very start on how to use Canva up to where you become a professional in using Canva. Let's start. So you are going to go over to your best internet browser and put in Canva. It's going to bring you this website, canva.com. We are going to create an account on Canva and learn how to use Canva. We are going to go over to sign up. And using Google, we're going to sign in using Google. You are going to select your Google account that you already have in your PC. Click continue. That is how simple we have created an account on Canva. Canva is very, very easy to use. You will be making your designs in literally seconds. So they're asking what you're going to use Canva for. You can choose any if you're a small business, a teacher, a student. You can choose small business. How big is your business? Focus, market and advertising. You can as well skip this if you don't want to give in all that information. So Canva comes with a pro version and a free to use version, but you can use a free version to make your design. But if you want more designs, you can pay for the pro version of Canva. So after creating your account, there are options for a whiteboard. You can create and you can start something new. You can search for a template of a thing. You can select the video website. Canva can help you in designing all this. I'm going to start over here and I check for a social media post. These are videos. I'm going to go over here and search maybe I want to design a success card for client. With Canva, you just search something and they give you different templates that you can use to design. So these ones that have this one thing, they are for the pro version of Canva, but these ones that do not have it, they are for the free version. There are some good designs for the free versions. Let us just start with this first one. You just have to click on it and go over to customize this template. Canva will open a new tab where you will be able to customize your template. So after opening this template, it's very, very easy to use. It will open like as if you are in a word software. To open in here and you just need to click on it and change anything. You can change anything here. You can change the picture. You can change the words in. You just have to click on it and write in the information that you want. You just have to click in here and write in the information. You can click in here, highlight it, and be able to change the text color. You can change the text color. Very easy to use. You can as well change the font on any design. You can come over here and change the font. You can change the color. This is where we change the font from. If you want to change the font, this is where you can change the font from. This is the font size. You can change the font size of your work. You can change the font color. It's it depends on the font, but if the font allows bolding, you can as well bold. Now this allows bolding, this does not allow bolding. Depends on the font. Some font come in built when they are already bold. That's why they do not allow bolding. For this, you can bold it. You can internalize. You can put on an underline. It's like you're working with Word, Microsoft Word, if you know how to use Microsoft Word. You can change the spacing. You can even change the effects of the font. There's some very good effects here, the shadows. You can put in the shadows. You don't get to use all of this when you are using, for example, MS Word. You don't get all these options. If you want to change the image, you just need to upload the image and use it. I already have my images. Let me try uploading an image. Let me get an image here and we try to upload an image and you see how we can change our image. We're going to download some image from Google and we see how we can we can change our image. If you already have your image on your PC, you just need to drag and drop that image. I'm going to use this as my sample image for our work. I'm going to go over and download it. GIF, I don't know if it allows that format. It seems it's allowed as image format. So change the image, you just need to drag the image around where we want to change it. So I've just dragged our image near where I want to change the image and the image has automatically changed. This is how simply and very good Canva is. So our image has already changed. You can change some of the things, you can remove some, you can delete this, you can delete some of the things, you can change their positions. You will know how to upload the images. You can even change the transparency or the opacity of your image. You can change the position.